Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Katanat jong ka koit ka kya jong kani ka Sarkar Jilla Lengba ka office trekam jong District Medical and Health Officer East Castles District haka arp khandai terek mentabna jilliu arajar arpo kala pelong ya kijing aji hikai ya kirang ba asnong ki seng samla ki nong yalam niam jong ki jat niam ba peroper ba cheki ken hon ba peroper ka bolong komsi benta bakin long pat ki nong beteng ya kini kijing hikai cheki ken hon ba peroper ki badan haki snong ki thau ba cheki pat ba nong snong kenang bakin la banyada yalade na kunyang jingpang coronavirus. Ka Additional District Medical and Health Officer jong ka East Castles ka Dr. A. Lingdo ha ka jekran bat ka Batisi TV ka layato bayaman tahi kani ka jing aji kai ka bala pelong ha kani ka sngi ha susotham auditorium Shillong kadai bet tang na ka banta kirang ba snong bat ki kinhon ba peroper jong ki snong ki baham hapo ka Shillong Municipal Board laong ru baleng ba kani ka jing hikai kan yarap ru i ki bor penya snong bakin bo jing khan ye ki brieu ki bala kanjo palat and repos nam karta ki badan da ki weipat ki jajing pang bat bakin so tho ro ye ki pai ba nong snong bakin bo ranti ye ki jing tha jong ko sarkar leng ba katnat ka koi ka khya ha ka be dei ba ka jeda na ka jing saphriang uknyang jing pang COVID-19.
Ini program actually kada gawin initiatives from the state government bang inonra kata behavior change in the community in our fight, one of the initiatives to fight against COVID-19. Namar manta bla ple kayo kahat ple ka mo ka kam ka jam manta de knang bangin yo bangin pensu tu ekipat ba nangin na so bangin ban khang na hapat lai ka ya ka kamai ka kaji jam ro ne the state government ka ple manta paden da ple pani ku health department ni squad ban erap mingin pek mingin nang yai khmi mingin nang yai perman bani pek kanum don kanu ka jingni pada ka jing share kan ka jingpang fit pada ka jingpang ri ta ka le ya na ka jing ha kamram jong kan ka committee kalong ba kinerap yang ke health department ha ka bang ni identify ni khot ki rang basnong ni khot ki ni ki NGOs ki agencies ni khot ki nong yalam nyam ki phe ki nyam phe ni identify ki bikin one ha ka ni training dangi train pa ki indai kita ki trainers pa de ni pa TOT training of trainers da ki lam dab ye ka ni training then kin let pa de ha la ki jong jaka kum ki rang basnong mata kada ha pa snong la jong kin sedang pada ke training ya kinong song snong ringba ki agency jong ki batin ki seng samla ki sanglong kume ne kinu agencies ki badan ha ka snong kin train se ki to nang ta kan ya kumta ha chado unda poi iwei pe iwei long ye hakaba jing thu jong ni training ko long bangin pin so thu iwei pe iwei idre bin man ra in lan ka ta so thu kum no bania dai ala di na kene ka khnya jing pang da ka ba shu bo den ya kini ki hikai jong health department kata ka jing ong bangin ha panya pinya jingai we ne we at least shimi armita nang ton thong mas ha bani le chi jaka ke babun brio ta ka ban lai pa de bani ye le bani sat ki ti hateng man la ka ko ne pon kam sanitizers tham tam le bani num kta ikmot ro namarba katur dari ka we ka rupang ka rung ne khem jing pang ha ne de ha lor kani ka nong rem ka jingut jumi ka jingthu ka long ban iwei pe iwei ibire inyo ekani jingi kai hakaba kan indon la ka jingkit kli ela di bat ndi ta ela di ro ekayang ka samla jong bat ha ta ka rupam ro kanon ra e ka ta ka jinga da e ka snong ka thaw
te mata kasmi kidai ki bawa
ini hang nei ki wan ki rang ba snong jong ani ka municipal areas Shillong urban bat ki canton bat kum jor ki committees ro ka bade ne ki snong ki ting road na po jail road na ta RR colony ki to ni khat na ma ba kini hi kin long ki trainers ki ban like khai pa cha snong ba kin snong ni training ka ban poi ha do iwe pe iwe long ye
ai batho ang to elderly
nang thalor kata ro min ha ngi ai ru kini ki kita ki diaries ki bela asna na ka benta bangin train pat saya kita ki riu rang ba ni ki rang ba ki bela tam ya kan ru pos na shabi ni dan la ka jang ka checklist ka bani train ni dan ko ba life nyo hajar news pa kan nyo kini ki bre ki ba palat ya ka ru pos na pa karta nang tangila identifier ni dan ke line list ko jang kita ki dan ki jingpang ki bang pat ayu ka karta makana handi ki kita menjimpang sini, kita menjimpang BP, kita menjimpang cancer, kita menjimpang kita kata ya kan kita jinya dah jangan bore dah jangan. Jadi kita harus like individual training pada separate checklist nak bantah jam itu pada kumlu ke sumare lagi. Made kini kita hamlong dan kejingma ki bagi keluar benda ini kian jumpa. Health department hi ngila adap doctors ni ki asa ngada do asa ngadi ngila adap identify ya kita ki beri ke atam ya kita refuskan sini ngila adap identify ru kan nungut ki don kita ki beri jimpang sini beri jimpang BP beri jimpang cancer kamtan jadi kita ngi don ka list daga kerteng hi laga jong ka blog laga jong ka shu ya yakini ru ki asa anganwati ta asdang kasnong katau di bang basnong kila asdang Hamulai ngila asdang ngila ka training nakatukan saya at saki man kalongi kabadani kini ki beri. Identify the next step ngila adap train girang basno apa ki block girang kini ki doctors ngila PHC kila train girang basno kila train ki asa anganwadi kila train ki gram sevaks kila train lang ki organization kiba kham long active hasnong hathau kana begini rap ya kini ya kita department jengi beda man kalongi yang badan kini ki elderly kini ki break barang jishita kana man train ki individual bhikai natangi ai ki bega diary.
This is based on the fact that you see, as of today, although Meghalaya is in a very good position from the fact that we have the least number of COVID-19 plus cases, positive cases in the country, but we also have to be careful with the fact that this is a disease, it spreads very fast and no cure has been found for it till today. We do not know where it is and where it has gone and when it's going to hit us back. So we have to be very ready for it. Number two is that we know for a fact that livelihoods of the people are being affected. So the state is opening up, our district is opening up to ensure that people get back to their activities and livelihood is are not affected for everyone. So for this to happen, the health department and the government itself felt that it is very important that we all have to live a normal life. So how do we live a normal life in a situation like this with a disease all around us? The best way is to change our behavior or to adapt to this change in the situation. So we are talking in this training, we are training the headmen. As of today, we are training the headmen of 38 Darbars who are in the Shillong municipal area. For the other headmen, we are training them through the block level offices. A behavior change management committee has been notified by the office of the Deputy Commissioner. And with this, we are moving forward to give to the people that understanding that we have to make a change in our behavior. What is our behavior? All of us now. I think I remember maybe 1 month ago, 2 months ago, all of us would wear a mask, but when we have a press conference, we take our mask off. Today, we all don't take our mask off. This is beautiful. This is a very, very positive step. This indicates that we are changing our behaviors for the benefit of all concerned. That is only one. Two is hand hygiene, to wash our hands frequently, to wash them correctly, to ensure that wherever we go, we ensure that we wash our hands before we meet people, wherever we can, whenever we touch anything. Thirdly is physical distancing. We know for a fact that, as I said, we are opening up, markets are opening up, and many other activities are already opening up. We do have a sizable population, especially in Shillong city and of course in East Khasi district in itself. So physical distancing is so important. Are we maintaining physical distancing? What is the answer? Sure, the answer is no. Because of the fact that we still have not taken upon ourselves the responsibility of maintaining that distance. It's not about pointing fingers at anyone. It's not you who's not maintaining. It's me who's not maintaining the social distance, so the physical distance. So these are very, very important things, and we would like this to be part of the behavioral change that we see in our citizens, in our people, in our friends. This is for the benefit of all of us, for our friends, for our family, for our loved ones. Because if I am responsible, then my friend will also be responsible. We talk about buddies, So you're my buddy. If today you do not wear a mask, then I will say, hey, where is your mask? And you will obviously send back to me, oh yeah, I forgot. Give me 5 minutes. I'll just get in to the house and bring it. So this is the way that we are approaching of changing our behavior when we want to live a normal life, even though it's the COVID-19 situation. Secondly, one of the most important areas is that we have found that COVID-19 has a huge effect, especially on people with high risk, and these include elderlies who are above the age of 60, 70, and especially those who have comorbidities. People who are sick, who have hypertension, diabetes, and many other illnesses. So we are stressing on the fact that each one of us should be responsible to go out there, or even in our own homes, even in our friends, to say that let us take care of our parents, our grandparents, our young children, to ensure that they are kept away from this disease. Because if it hits them, it's going to be very difficult. We do not want to reach a stage where, community transmission will happen. We are very lucky as of today to be in this period, but we cannot take things for granted. It can be a lull period. It can start again tomorrow. So the only way we can do that is to have this behavioral change. And I'm sure that citizens of our city, of our district, and of our state will take necessary steps to ensure that each one of us is protected for the benefit of all citizens of our place. See, this is also part of culture, part of who we are. We have respect for our elders. That is known. It's part of our culture. We respect our elders, and when we respect them, it means we respect them, we love them, we take care of them. So this is something that, in fact, even before today's training, I was just saying that there are many localities who, when we have the elderlies in their localities who have come back from different places, the localities itself, the Shillongs themselves, are taking care and ensuring that the elderly, the caregivers to the elderly are also trained to ensure that they are kept safe.